Profile sanding machine is a high-efficiency polishing tool designed for irregular and complex-shaped workpieces. It is widely used in furniture, wooden doors, decorative panels, stair railings, and artistic carvings. The machine